If you want to get massive impressions on X and build real momentum on Twitter, this video is going to show you a simple step-by-step strategy you can actually follow. Now, I want to be clear from the start. There is no guaranteed shortcut to 5 million impressions, but there is absolutely a repeatable system that gives your content a much better chance of reaching far more people. So if you're trying to grow faster, get more visibility, and turn X into a real traffic and audience building platform, keep watching. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Let's start with the first step, and that is optimizing your profile. Before people follow you, they check your profile, and if it looks unfinished, random, or low effort, they usually move on. So log into X, go to your profile, and click Edit Profile. Upload a clear profile picture that makes you look professional or recognizable. Add a banner image that matches your niche or brand. Then write a short bio that clearly explains what you post about and why someone should follow you. Finally, pin your best post to the top of your profile so new visitors immediately see your strongest content. This one step alone can improve your conversion rate a lot. Next, you want to find verified accounts in your niche. The reason this matters is simple. Verified accounts often drive the biggest conversations, and when you engage around them, you put your content in front of larger audiences. Use the search bar and search for topics you actually care about, like football, tech, gaming, marketing, finance, or any niche you want to grow in. Then tap the People tab and open profiles with the blue verification checkmark. Follow around 10 to 15 large verified accounts that are relevant to your niche. Don't just follow random accounts. Stay focused because the algorithm learns from the accounts you interact with. After that, turn on notifications for those accounts. This is one of the most powerful parts of the strategy because timing matters a lot on X. Open a verified account's profile, tap the bell icon next to the follow button, and select all posts. Do this for the most important accounts in your niche. Now, when they post, you'll get notified fast, and that gives you a chance to respond early. Early replies often get more visibility, more likes, and more profile visits. Now comes the part where you can really start gaining exposure. Reply to trending posts early. When you get a notification from a verified account, open the post as quickly as possible. Don't just write great post or drop an emoji and leave. Add something useful. Give a real opinion, ask a smart question, or share a quick insight that adds value to the conversation. The goal is to stand out, not blend in. Try to post your reply within the first 15 to 30 minutes because that window is often where the post is still growing and your reply has the best chance of being seen. The next step is creating your own content consistently. If you want more impressions, you cannot rely only on replying to other people. You need your own posts that give people a reason to follow you. Tap post and share your thoughts, experiences, lessons, or opinions. Add images, GIFs, or videos when they make sense because visual content often performs better. Post consistently throughout the week and focus on 1 or 2 topics instead of talking about everything. When your content is clear and specific, people know what to expect from you, and that helps you build an audience faster. Then, make sure you're engaging with other users, not just broadcasting your own thoughts. Check your notifications regularly, reply to comments on your posts so people feel heard. Follow users who engage with your content, especially if they are active in your niche. Join discussions, add your perspective, and keep showing up. On X, engagement is a huge signal. The more you interact in a meaningful way, the more opportunities you create for your own posts to be discovered. Now let's talk about tracking your progress. If your account has access to analytics, open analytics and review what is actually working. If needed, click the More button, then go to Settings and Privacy, then Monetization, and then Analytics. Keep in mind this requires X Premium, so make sure you have access before trying to use it. Once inside Analytics, look at your impressions, engagement, and follower growth. Pay attention to which posts perform best, and then create more content in that same style. This is how you stop guessing and start improving with data. And that last part is really important because growth on X is not about luck. It comes from consistent posting, smart engagement, and learning what your audience responds to. If one type of post gets more reach, double down on it. If one topic gets more replies, keep going deeper into that topic. Over time, this builds momentum, and momentum is what drives bigger impressions. So, to recap, optimize your profile, follow verified accounts in your niche, turn on notifications, reply early to trending posts, create your own content consistently, engage with other users, and track your analytics so you can improve over time. Do all of that consistently, and you give yourself the best possible chance to grow on X and increase your impressions dramatically. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.